no ducklings. 5 little ducks went out to play over the rainbow hill one day. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. All 5 ducklings came running back. In-a-mow, in-a-mow. 4 ducklings returned, 4 little ducks swam through the pond, past the flowers and beyond. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 4 came waddling back. In-a-mow, in-a-mow. 3 ducklings splashed, 3 little ducks jumped in the stream. Bubbles sparkled like a dream. Mother duck called quack, 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 quack. Only 3 ducklings came back. In-a-mow, in-a-mow, in-a-mow. 2 ducklings roam, 2 little ducks went out to roam over the hills away from home. Mother duck called quack, 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 quack. Only 2 ducklings came back. In-a-mow, in-a-mow, in-a-mow. 1 duckling lost, 1 little duck went out to play over the moon and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but just 1 duckling found the way back. In-a-mow, in-a-mow. No ducklings left, no little ducks went out that day. Mother duck cried near the bay. Then she called quack, 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 and all 5 ducklings came running back. In-a-mow, cho, cho, in-a-mow, cho, cho. Happy family dance, Mother duck smiled, quack, quack, hooray. All 5 ducklings back to stay. They splashed and played in the shiny stream, happily dancing in a sunny gleam.